Hello and welcome to Think Tax. Today we will understand whether it is possible to get waiver of late fee imposed under Section 234E of the Income Tax Act 1961. The fee under 234E is mandatory and cannot be waived or reduced under any circumstances. पर इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट बात है नोट करने की वो ये है कि फाइनेंस एक्ट 2015 से पहले की जो लेट फीस इम्पोज है एसएससी पर वो वेव हो सकती है. Let us see how can it be waived. Finance Bill 2015 में it was mentioned that Section 200A does not provide for determination of fee payable under Section 234E क्योंकि Section 234E was inserted after Section 200A. Section 200A बात करता है processing of statement of tax deducted at source. अब देखते हैं फाइनेंस बिल 2015 में कैटेगोरिकली क्या मेंशन किया गया था. I have highlighted the relevant portion in front of you and I will read out the same. Finance Act 2009 inserted Section 200A in the Act which provides for processing of TDS statements for determining the amount payable or refundable to the deductor. However, as Section 234E was inserted after the insertion of Section 200A in the Act, the existing provisions of Section 200A of the Act does not provide for determination of fee payable under Section 234E of the Act at the time of processing of TDS statements. It is therefore proposed to amend the provisions of Section 200A of the Act so as to enable computation of fee payable under Section 234E of the Act at the time of processing of TDS statement under Section 200A of the Act. So you can see that Section 200A may enabling provision to impose fee under Section 234E Finance Act 2015 से डाला गया है. Let us now see the difference in Section 200A prior to and after Finance Act 2015. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं राइट साइड ऑफ द कॉलम पे कि Section 234E ऐड किया गया है from Finance Act 2015. Clause C and Clause D. You can see that 234E has been added, and if you see the left side of the column, Section 234E, the words were missing. So it is clear कि enabling provisions to impose late fee under 234E has been inserted from Finance Act 2015. तो अगर हमको late fee imposed upon the SSC prior to Finance Act 2015 को वेव करवाना है तो इसके लिए लॉ में तो कोई कुछ नहीं लिखा है, पर हमको जुडिशियल प्रोनाउंसमेंट्स पर रिलाई करना पड़ सकता है. अगर इसमें हम पहला केस देखें जो है ऑनरेबल कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट का इन द केस ऑफ फतेहराज सिंघवी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, इट वाज हेल्ड दैट व्हेन द अमेंडमेंट मेड अंडर सेक्शन 200A ऑफ द एक्ट व्हिच हैज कम इनटू इफेक्ट ऑन 1 June 2015 इज हेल्ड टू बी हैविंग प्रोस्पेक्टिव इफेक्ट, नो कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ फी फॉर द डिमांड और द इंटीमेशन फॉर द फी under Section 234E could be made for the TDS deducted for the respective assessment year prior to 1 June 2015. सेकेंड जजमेंट जिसको हमको देखना चाहिए वो है ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट की इन द केस ऑफ वेजिटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स लिमिटेड, wherein it was held that when there are conflicting decisions, the decision in favor of the SSC should be followed. थर्ड केस जो मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन कर रहा हूँ वो है ITAT दिल्ली का इन द केस ऑफ बाथलाइन इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, wherein it was held that while the Honorable Karnataka High Court is in the favor of the SSC holding that the amendments brought in the statute with effect from 1 June 2015 are prospective in nature and hence notices issued under Section 200A of the Act for the computation and intimation in payment of late filing fee under Section 234E of the Act relating to the period of tax deduction prior to 1 June 2015 were not maintainable. The Honorable Gujarat High Court has decided the issue against the SSC and in favor of the revenue. After considering the above conflicting decisions, the coordinate benches of tribunal are taking the view that when there are conflicting decisions, the decision in favor of the SSC should be followed in the light of decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Vegetable Products Limited. So it is possible to get a waiver of late fee imposed upon the SSC prior to Finance Act 15, that is or say 1 June 2015. So इससे related और भी judgments आपको मिल जाएंगे, and in case you want any help you can mention in the comment box. फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही दोस्तों. अगर आप कोई और सवाल है इस सेक्शन से रिलेटेड तो प्लीज़ मेंशन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। थैंक यू।